Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get CapCut PC Pro. You can either select your video and use some pro effects and then screen record that, or you can go back to the home page and you can invite your friends to join pro. So select invite friends, and if they download CapCut you'll get like a free trial, so you can invite up to 10 friends here, so you can get up to 70 days of free pro, which I think is good. Sorry. And you'll get like 2 months of like CapCut Pro by inviting friends, and then you'll both get the free trial. Um, but that's pretty much it. Really super simple, but I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.